నా పేరు సునీల్ రెడ్డి, టీమ్ Cybernest. Cybernest Orange Villas is our latest project, which we came here to showcase. About 23 constructions in Pune and Hyderabad Tarvata. We have picked up this project right next to Exit 14 of Outer Ring Road, right next to the airport and Fab City and DRDO. So barely any distance from Foxconn. 40 villa serene gated community, right? ప్రశాంతంగా ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ లాగా ఉండడానికి వీలుగా, రైట్? నో న్యూసెన్స్, నో నాన్సెన్స్, ఓకే, ఫ్యామిలీ ప్లేస్, రైట్? That's us. And at the same time, great luxury with great connectivity. Exit 14 పక్కనే ఉన్నాము, 20 minutes to Gachibowli and pretty much 5 minutes to a lot of places including the airport, malls, hospitals, schools, about like 6 or so global schools all around us. That's our location. Okay, and project wise వచ్చేటప్పటికి 2-3 major things I would mention is we have carefully designed the villas in such a way that pretty much half of our villas are corner units only, right? Half of our villas are corner units straight, either they are garden corner or they are road corner, and remaining half they will have open spaces on both sides. Two sides open space compulsory వచ్చేలాగా. We did not want to go the traditional route of ఈ చివరి నుంచి ఆ చివరి దాకా ఒక రో ఆఫ్ విల్లాస్ వేసి పడేసి అగిపెట్టల్లాగా చేసే ఉద్దేశంలో మేము వెళ్ళలేదు. We gave 45% of the space, we left it free within the project. Within each villa also we went with a theme, right? Like community ఎట్లయితే మేము ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ టైప్ కమ్యూనిటీ కావాలనుకుంటున్నామో విత్ ఇన్ ద విల్లా కూడా మేము అదే కంఫర్ట్ జోన్ విత్ ఇన్ ది ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఇవ్వదలుచుకున్నాం. కానీ మేము ఎలా వెళ్తున్నామంటే అవర్ థీమ్ ఈజ్ దట్ గ్రౌండ్ ఫ్లోర్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి మేడమ్స్ ఫ్లోర్, right? She will have a dry kitchen, she will have a wet kitchen. She has 2 huge living rooms. One living room to party with the friends, madam's friends. Okay, the other living room for dining or whatever, and a bedroom on the ground floor. First floor we said we are calling it as the children's floor. Children's floor లో వాళ్ళ స్టడీ రూమ్స్, బెడ్రూమ్ కాకుండా ఒక గేమ్స్ రూమ్ వచ్చేటట్టు ప్లాన్ చేసుకున్నాము. అండ్ టాప్ ఫ్లోర్ వీఆర్ కాలింగ్ ఇట్ ది మాస్టర్స్ ఫ్లోర్. మాస్టర్స్ ఫ్లోర్లో ఓకే, అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ది మాస్టర్ బెడ్రూమ్ అండ్ ఓపెన్ టెర్రస్, యాక్టివిటీ రూమ్ ఒకటి చేసుకున్నాము. యాక్టివిటీ రూమ్ is multi-faceted. If you want to convert it into a theater room, you can do that. If you want to put a pool table, snooker, right, a little bar setup, right, whatever the master wants to go for. So while this whole thing sounds like 3 separate floors, we have made sure that there is a huge open space connecting all 3 floors so that can communicate without any hindrances across the floors. That's our theme. We want people to come here, not worry about anything else. Everything will be right present there in our clubhouse, where so even if you have a little disturbance at home to work from home, our clubhouse is going to have working space, a floor of working space. You have 2-3 conference rooms out there in the clubhouse, office cubicles also out there. So if you want to work from home, work from the community, you can work from community. If you are a professional, you have customer meets or something, or you want to quickly meet someone and let go, so you can meet in the clubhouse in the conference room. Okay, that apart from our gym and yoga and swimming pool and garden and all those, avanni normal avetlaga iche. Beautiful response. Okay, plan initially to come here, but then I am pretty sure we made a very good decision. పొద్దుట నుంచి 5 నిమిషాలు ఖాళీగా ఉంది, ఎప్పుడు లేనలేదు. Okay, people flow, coming, asking, taking details, and very good response. Liked it. Thank you.